Take a deep breath with me and let's sit with this moment. What is about watering the plants, pouring into caring, into love, into our kids? Close your eyes for a second and imagine it with me. You're standing there holding a bucket, filling it with water to water your plants. Music is playing through your earpods. Your heart feels light. You are genuinely happy. Across the way, people are working on the neighbor's house. You smile and wave, full of warmth and trust. The bucket fills. You reach to turn the faucet off, and it's locked. It won't close. You can only open it more. The stream grows stronger, wilder. Then, crack! The handle, shaped like a little steering wheel, breaks and falls away. Help! Earbuds shoved into your pocket. The water is rushing now, an infinite stream of life, of hydration, of goodness, that suddenly feels like danger, like it could drown you. You call out the man you just waved to, your voice kind but desperate. He comes. You believe his stronger hands can fix it, but under his grip, another piece breaks. Tools are brought, nothing works. So you try to channel it. You attach a hose. You fight to contain the force. But have you ever tried to tame a wide stream of water? It finds every crack. You wrap it, screw it tight, use duct tape, and still it sprays. Rainbows appears in the mist. The windows, the walls, your clothes, everything gets soaked. A wet t-shirt in the middle of your own emotional flood. All those little fixes, those temporary measures, they are illusions. The energy is too big. Their love has been pouring too wide open for too long. Finally, you grab the heaviest wrench you can find, muscles burning, arms shaking, everything wet with the love you've been giving. You don't even remember which way closes it. You turn with everything you have until it stops. The faucet is closed. The handle is gone. What remains is raw, shiny metal with deep marks from the force. Calm returns. But the faucet is broken now. Breathe here with me. This everyday moment, watering the plants, wasn't random. Life used it to show me something important. When we pour with total trust, total openness, total positivity, music in our ears, goodness in our eyes, we can lose the ability to stop. And when the stream becomes too much, we don't just get wet. We risk drowning in our own giving. I'm tired of giving without limits. I'm tired of the flood. So for now, the faucet stays closed. Repair will come later. But from this day forward, I choose differently. I will measure. I will channel. I will give only what is needed, and no more. Not because the love is gone, but because real love needs healthy boundaries to keep flowing sustainably. Take one more deep breath. Place a hand on your heart. You are allowed to close the faucet sometimes. You are allowed to protect your own water. You are allowed to give from a place of calm, not collapse. And in that balance, both you and the ones you love can truly grow. Thank you for sitting with me in this reflection. If this touched something in you, share your own story in the comments. You are not alone.